The most unusual creatures in the world. The Museum of Terrestrial Life. Hidden away in the heart of a dense temperate forest lies a remarkable institution unlike any other. The Museum of Terrestrial Life. While the name might suggest a conventional natural history exhibit, this museum is anything but ordinary. It is home to some of the most unusual, rare, and bizarre creatures ever discovered on Earth. These creatures, many unknown to the general public, push the boundaries of what we consider normal in the animal kingdom. The Museum of Terrestrial Life is more than just a collection of bones and fossils. It is a living, breathing archive of Earth's evolutionary oddities. From the deepest caves and the most isolated islands to the highest mountain peaks and unexplored rainforests, the museum curates a global tapestry of biological wonders. One of the first creatures that greet visitors is the eye from Madagascar. With its oversized ears, rodent-like teeth, and long skeletal middle finger used for foraging grubs from trees, the eye is a standout example of nature's creativity. Nearby, a preserved specimen of the Saiga antelope captures attention with its strange, bulbous nose that filters dust and regulates body temperature, an adaptation to the Central Asian steppes. Moving deeper into the museum, guests encounter the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. This amphibian never undergoes full metamorphosis, retaining its larval features, external gills, and a smiling face for life. Its ability to regenerate limbs and parts of its brain has fascinated scientists worldwide. Another gallery showcases creatures of the deep ocean, including the ghostly Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins, and the gulper eel, whose elastic jaws can engulf prey much larger than itself. Illuminated tanks house living specimens of the glass frog, whose transparent skin reveals internal organs, and the leafy sea dragon, an elaborate marine creature that resembles floating seaweed. The museum doesn't just highlight animals that look strange, it emphasizes adaptation, survival, and mystery. The thorny devil, an Australian lizard, channels water across its body grooves to its mouth. The mimic octopus, another mind-bending marvel, can impersonate over 15 different sea creatures, including lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish, to avoid predators.
One of the most crowd-pleasing exhibits is the shoebill stork, with its massive shoe-shaped beak and dinosaur-like stare. Despite its slightly comical appearance, this bird is a skilled hunter of large prey, including lungfish and baby crocodiles. Similarly impressive is the pink fairy armadillo, a tiny creature found only in Argentina, known for its soft, pinkish shell and sand-swimming abilities. The museum is not only about awe and wonder, it is also an urgent reminder of the fragility of our natural world. Many of these unusual creatures are critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, pollution, or climate change. Alongside each exhibit, conservation statuses, scientific insights, and habitat information encourage visitors to think about biodiversity as something to protect, not just observe. Interactive sections allow children to listen to bizarre animal sounds, touch models of scaled skins and feathers, and even experience a night in the jungle simulation where they can try to spot camouflage animals using infrared sensors. Educational programs, rotating exhibits, and a virtual reality dome extend the experience beyond passive viewing. In its mission, the Museum of Terrestrial Life offers more than a spectacle. It provides a celebration of Earth's vast biological imagination. Through its collection of the world's most unusual creatures, it urges humanity to look deeper into the margins of nature, where the most astonishing forms of life quietly thrive. Whether you are a biologist, traveler, student, or simply curious, this museum redefines the idea of what it means to be alive and just how weird and wonderful that life can be.